Hey guys, let's take a quick look at this really nice multi-process machine from Matrixing Welding. Now this one is the 205 DP Pro and it's got a bunch of features. It also comes with everything you see here. So you can run the small or the big spools in there. We've of course got our destruction manual, all our extra tips and our stuff for changing our gas in. We've got a couple extra spool wheels on there. Got a really nice gas line. You've even got the inserts here if you want to do some aluminum welding. They send it with a roll of regular weld wire if you're doing gas MIG. And then I do have the flux core wire that they sent with it already loaded up in here. And we've got our MIG gun, and they do have the insert already in there because they send it with 0.8 wire. It comes with a really nice electrode holder. This thing is beefy. And then you got probably about an 8-foot lead on there, and of course we have our grounding wire again with the nice long lead on it. And then look at these connections. These are really nice. These are nice and big. They're rubberized on there, really well made. These are going to be nice if you ever have to switch back and forth a lot. And lastly, it comes natively with the 220 on it, but they do send you an adapter so you can run it on 110. So let's get it plugged in, get it fired up, show you a little bit more about the machine, and then we'll give you a little test of the welding. One of the nice things about this, you've got this nice little cover over your control panel so you can keep that clean, keep any splatter from hitting it. Over here, we've got our door to open up for our spool. Nice and easy to load in there. I like that this one comes down so it's nice and easy to open up and close like that. And on the back side, we've got our power button. We got our power going in, and then we've got our gas inlet right here. So we turned it on back here. It's gonna come on, give you a little welcome screen there. Then we get into our settings. Right now it's on the stick welding. You hit your home button here. You can change it over to your lift TIG, your settings. You got all kinds of different settings in there. So you can check, see that you got your version. You can change your brightness. Our units here, we're gonna select them. They sent it here on metric. We're gonna switch over to the correct one. Back out of that again. Make sure we change. We got our language up there, and then we've got our version. Back out again. Got our MIG over here. You can see you got your spool gun, flux cord. Whether you're running gas or not, we're gonna do the flux cord when we get back to that. Get back in our stick, and then we can change our current over here. Well, let's get hooked up and do a little test here. Now we got it set up with the flux core. Let's give this a try. So there you go, guys. A pretty powerful little machine here from Matrixing Welders. This thing had so many features for an absolute novice like me. It's something I'm going to really have to dig into, but you can change your arc force, your start time, your current, everything in here. It's just absolutely phenomenal what you can do with this one. Definitely a nice little machine if you're into welding and want to pick something up that's going to give you the MIG, the TIG, the stick welding, all that stuff. You're going to get it in here and you're going to be able to do all kinds of stuff with it.